How to play free games on YouTube mobile. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps our channel grow. Now heading to the video, first you open the YouTube app. Once you open the YouTube app, here you will find an option of explore on the top left. Click on that. Once you click on that, here you'll find a lot of options like gaming, trending, shopping. But the gaming option, don't get confused with it. It's not the gaming option. It will just show you videos of gaming. You have to scroll down, and here right now in my country it's not updated here, but you will find an option of playables. Once you click on playables, you will get a list of games that YouTube offers and that you can play on the YouTube app itself. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.